Today we're going to install new wiper blades on this 2012 Volkswagen Passat. Alright, so what we're going to do is install these Duralast Aero blades. I just installed the small one, so now I'll make a video of installing the big one. Should be the same process. We're going to go ahead and open this up. It does take a 24 and a 19 as well for the small one. 24 for the driver's side. So here you have a big list of explanations of how this is done. Really doesn't say much, but you have all this hardware, and this is the wiper blade. So what we're gonna do for this one here is flip this wiper blade upside down, press these two little tabs in, this one and this one here, and that's gonna push this out. I'm gonna go ahead and use both hands, and there it is. Next step we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this piece here. We're going to line it up with those holes and compress it down. You should hear it clip into place. Perfect. Next step we're going to do is grab this one. On the instructions it says to flip this one's in, but it don't fit. So we actually have to break these off. Put this inside here until it clips. Now we're ready to insert. Let's take this plastic shielding off. Now we're ready to insert it into our slot, and it clips into place. Sweet. And this is extra hardware we don't need. We don't need none of this. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.